Hello guys, if you're wondering whether you can play College Football 27 on Steam Deck, then the answer is basically unknown right now. Now first of all, this is actually a pretty big deal because College Football 27 is finally coming to Steam and PC for the first time, which a lot of players have been waiting for. But when we take a look at the Steam store page, the Steam Deck compatibility currently shows as unknown. So at the moment, Valve has not officially marked the game as verified or playable for Steam Deck yet. And usually, if a game works well on Steam Deck, Steam will clearly label it as verified or at least playable before launch. Now another thing worth mentioning is that most modern EA Sports games are either unsupported on Steam Deck or they have a lot of issues because of anti-cheat systems and launcher problems. We have already seen this happen with several EA Sports titles in the past where players had launch crashes, black screens, or the game simply refusing to start on Steam Deck. So because of that, there's definitely a chance College Football 27 could end up having similar problems as well. Now of course, things could still improve later with updates, compatibility fixes, or community workarounds, but at launch, there's really no confirmation yet that the game will properly work on Steam Deck. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.